Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9130E or 9135E. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan, and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to copy document from this printer. Open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. Then close the scanner. Go to the LCD screen and select copy. Then you select document or ID card. This is document. Then from these settings, you select how many copies. Use plus or minus to select the number. Then you see color mode. Select the arrow for you to select copy, color, or black. We are copying color. Sides. Select sides. You have 1 to 1 side, 1 to 2 side, 2 to 1 side, 2 to 2 sided. So I want us to copy 2 to 2 sided. For instance, select the quality. It's currently in standard. If you select it, we show you best draft. Is currently in standard. If you scroll down, tray, automatic select. So you will pick the paper. Tray, automatic select. You can pick it from tray 1 or tray 2. You can also select tray 1 or tray 2. So it's currently in automatic select. You go back, then select copy. So we are copying two-sided. Copying. Now I will show this information. Place the next page on the scanner glass and then touch to continue. So you open up the scanner glass and stick the document that you want to copy. Close the scanner and select continue. If you change your mind, then you select cancel. Now it's copying the document. There we go. This is the document we copied. Two-sided. This is the document we copied. Two-sided. Color. Now I want us to copy this document using ADF. To copy a document with ADF, then make sure you remove the document from the glass scanner. Then stick the document. Make sure the information starts on the top. So this document using ADF. So stick the document this way. Now the next thing to do is you need to select side. We want to copy this two-sided using ADF, and also we want to copy this black only. Quality is standard. Then you select copy. Copy the document straight away, two-sided. There we go. You can see it copied the document two-sided straight away. And this is the original one, is in colored. We copy this black and white. So this is how to copy a document. You can decide to copy two-sided or 1 to 1 sided, etc. So only what you need to do is you need to select the sides for you to select 1 to 1 side or 1 to 2 side or 2 to 1 side or 2 to 2 sided. And once you're done, then you go back. So this is how to copy a document from this printer. And you can also copy ID card. You just need to select ID card copy, and for you to select the information. Once you're done, then you select this back arrow for you to go back. So these are the features. So from this menu, you can copy, scan, and print, etc. So this is how to copy a document from this printer using ADF, likewise using glass scanner. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.